Elsie. DF, thank you. You're giving me a toothache. No. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Thank you, Andrea, for subscribing me. 16 viewers. Mega love chat out. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Mega love chat out. Thank you for subscribing me, guys. Where are you from? From the Philippines. Sukdeep Sharma. Hello, everyone. Mega love chat out. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You are no, you are dentist, DF. You're so sweet. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Where are you from? From the Philippines. I'm poem for you. Yes, thank you so much, Star Girl. Yeah, Chef Deep Sharma. Single mom? No. I have a husband. I have no children, but I have a husband. I, ano? I want to hear. I want to hear what? Your poem? Yeah, I read it now. Hi, where's your poem? Yan, want to hear. What? Yan. 6 viewers, mega love chat. Thank you for coming to my live, guys. In 31 viewers to come to my live. Thank you so much. Please, like our live, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking. Want to hear what? What? Your drop dead gorgeous. Thank you so much, DF. Where are you from, DF? Yeah. Wing Won. Hello, Sia. Good evening, Mega Love shout out. Thank you for coming to my live, guys. Yeah, you're drop dead gorgeous. Oh no. Yan, thank you so much, Star Girl. Thank you so much. Shuk Deep Sharma. Thank you so much for coming, everyone. So 31 viewers to come to my live. Thank you so much. Please like our live. Thank you so much. There's a 3 dots there. Please click there. There's a like in there. Please click that. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Please like our live, guys. Thank you so much. Yan. Thank you. Yan. Please like our live. Thank you, guys. For always support my live, guys. Thank you so much. Yan. Just subscribing to you. Thank you so much, DF, for subscribing me. I'm so appreciated. And also, I'm happy to hear you here in 31 viewers to come here. So very thankful you always here in my life. Thank you so much. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Thank you for subscribing me. Please comment our video to come back to you guys. If you are like here in content creator, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, DF, for subscribing. Thank you all 31 who come to my live. Thank you so much. And also thank you, please like our live. Thank you for viewers. Mega love shout out. Good afternoon. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, everyone. I like making people smile. Thank you so much. I always met because of you, our viewers, because many viewers here, you also coming to my life. Every day, my life, every night, my life. I'm already happy because there many of you come to me here. Thank you so much. I would like to thank you, everyone, to come here in my life. Thank you so much, the app. Thank you all, guys. Thank you so much.